So here's my starter is not charging the batteries. Here you can see this sign is coming. So this time my shovel is in static position, but you can see this battery sign is coming. So it's been alternator is not charging. I check also voltages from here. I check. You can see also here 24.98 volt. This is a alternator is not charging, so I'm going to check the alternator. I will remove it and check what is the issue to this one. So first I will remove the terminal of this battery. Okay, then afterward I remove the harness of the alternator. So first I remove this one. So terminal is removed. So here you can see I have removed the harness. Now I'm going to remove this belt, and after it I will uninstall my alternator. For this, first I remove this bolt, and after one bolt is this one downside. So my alternator will become free, and I take it out. So here's this one is my extensioner. Okay. So this one is my extension. I put a ratchet to here. You can see. I press it down like this, so you can see this belt become loose. So in one hand I will remove this one, so I will put my camera downside. You can see I have removed this belt. Now my belt is open. I have removed this one. Off camera I will remove this my alternator. There is two bolts, only one bolt this one and one bolt is here. Then my alternator will come out. So here you can see in off camera I have removed this alternator. So I will take this alternator to my workbench, and there I will open it and check it. Okay. So here you can see I have brought this alternator to my workbench. So here you can see I have removed this upper cover, this side. So this screw is also I have opened. These two screws are remaining. I will remove this screw, and after it I will remove this regulator and check if the regulator issues or another problem. The carbon brush has broken of this regulator, so need just carbon brush. So as here I have the old alternator here of the same machine, so they have another problems. I will uninstall these alternator. Maybe I found a good regulator in it, so one of them I will take it and check the regulator is good, then I will take that one. So here's I chose this alternator. I will open this one, and this one regulator I will remove, and I will check this regulator is okay. So this one regulator I will fix to in my this alternator. You can see I have removed this regulator from this alternator. So this carbon brushes are okay. So this regulator I will fix to this my alternator. Okay, in off camera I will fix this alternator, then I check my alternator to fix in the machine. So I think the problem was only, you can say just problem is this regulator, I am thinking so. So I will change this regulator, and after it I will show you. Then I fix it in this alternator back to the machine. Yes, you know I have now fixed the new the regulator. remove from the other alternator and fix it here. So now I'm going to fix this alternator here. Okay, so in off camera I will fix it, this one. So you can see I have fixed this bolt and also fixed this wire, this connector remaining, this wire is remaining. I fixed this one. After fixing this one, now the electrical connections are completed. This connector is also fixed, this connector, this wire and this ground. Now the belt is remaining, so off camera I will fix this bolt, because in both hand I will use to install this belt. So as you can see I have fixed this belt. So now belt is ready, everything is okay. Now I'm going to inside the machine and will start it and check whether alternator is working or not. So now I'm going to fix this terminal of the battery which I removed before removing the alternator. So now I'm going to fix it back. So now viewers, you can see I have come inside the cabin. I'm going to on the machine. Now my machine is in on condition. So I'm going to start it. Machine is started, you can see. So this light has gone, not light is here, battery light has finished. It means my is okay. Now I check also further. So you can see now the 28.5 voltages. So now the problem was the regulator. I changed the regulator, so now my problem is finished. So viewers, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. I need your help to for my motivation to make more information video for you, so you can learn more and more auto electrical work for heavy equipments. Thanks for watching. See you next time in next video.